3 years. We got too comfortable.
I just don't get it. Like, why now? What's the trigger? She's not in puberty. Is she?
No.
Oh, God.
It really scared her when it happened.
Maybe she needs to be scared.
She needs to be trained.
Oh, my God.
Our responsibility is getting her ready, making her strong in case they come.
Our responsibility is to protect her.
Training her is protecting her.
Says the woman who hates her power so much she won't even use it.
It's different for us. We know what it's like.
Be normal?
But when you're born this way, she's not a robot, she's a little girl. With little girl feelings and emotions, which are wildly unpredictable.
It's too dangerous. She just has to shove it down and keep it hidden. She did it before. She can do it again.
Loser. Let's go.
You okay, Charlie?
Weirdo. Yeah, run away, you freak.
Charlie? 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 Please, Charlie? Whatever's going on. Charlie? Please leave. Charlie? Holy shit.
It won't happen again.
How can you be so sure? Does Charlie have a history of destructive behavior?
No, of course not.
She's been less than forthcoming about how she did it, what she used to cause the explosion.
Please don't call it an explosion. It makes her sound like a terrorist.
The bathroom stall exploded, ma'am. What would you like us to call it?
Regardless, the police want to investigate the matter further.
That blast was like a siren call.
I know you don't want to hear this, but none of this would have happened if she knew how to use it.
Jesus. Look at my eyes. Every time I try to do it, it chips away at me now. I can't do the push without my eyes literally bleeding now.
Why didn't you tell me?
Come on.
But that doesn't mean it will happen to Charlie.
That's not a risk I'm willing to take.
I don't have your power. Okay? I can't push her if she loses control.
Well, I would never push my own kid. Our cover is blown, okay? If they catch her, they're gonna lock her away. They're gonna run tests on her for the rest of her life. They're gonna take her, they're gonna put her in a cage. We'll never see her again, Vic. Who knows what's gonna happen to her?
If who catches me?
You're supposed to be in your room, Charlie.
You were yelling.
Charlie, I need you to go to your room right now, okay? And pack a bag. We're leaving in the morning.
Sweetie, do you think? Are we bad people, Charlie?
You know why we have to move all the time?
Because of your work.
But also because bad men are after us. Really bad. Because of the special things that we can do, the pushing and the fire. And if they catch us, they're gonna put us in jail.
It's why we can't have cell phones or Wi-Fi.
Because they can track it.
I'm sorry we lied to you.
But I ran to the bathroom so I wouldn't hurt anyone.
That was the right thing to do, Charlie. That was right.
I tried to throw it in the water, but it didn't work. And now we're in trouble and we're going to jail and it's all my fault.
Okay, you gotta stay calm.
Calm down,
Just
Charlie.
stay calm, sweetie. You're okay.
I'm not okay, stop saying that. And I'm not special. I'm a monster.
You are not a monster.
You just need to calm down.
You're not.
I'm a monster.
Calm down.
You're not a monster.
I'm a monster!
Charlie.
I hate living like this!
Tough luck, Charlie. This is who you are.
Please, Auntie, stop.
You made me this way. Charlie, please, I hate who I am, and I hate you! Charlie! Charlie! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Charlie. Charlie, no. Charlie, no. Charlie.
Charlie, no. I'm gonna be okay.
She's okay.
911, what is your emergency?
She's fine. Come on.
Hello?
Please.
Hello? Are you there?
Okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right.